Every Christmas, it's the same story. You pull out your phone to take a photo and suddenly it says storage full. Someone in the family unwraps a brand new phone during the Christmas sales and then immediately panic about losing their WhatsApp chats or their entire photo gallery. And then there's the old phone you want to sell or gift away, and you think a factory reset clears your data, but nope, a lot of personal info can still be recovered and cracked. Screens, glitchy updates, and weird system errors that magically appear exactly when you need your phone the most. That's why in this video, I'm using Dr.Fone to fix all the typical Christmas phone problems in one place. So let's dive straight into it. Let's start with a photo overload because everyone feels this, including myself. Before Christmas, you're already close to the limit, then the holidays hit, you're taking photos non-stop, and suddenly the phone slows down, freezes, or refuses to even open the camera. Dr.Fone's backup feature lets you offload everything, every photo and video from every device in the house with one click. It supports iOS and Android, even older phones your parents still use. Everything goes neatly into one folder on your computer so nothing gets lost. This is the perfect if you're preparing a Christmas vlog, a family digital album, or you just want all your memories safe before the chaos starts. Now, the phone upgrade situation. This always happens. Someone gets a new device, some things even switching systems, and the stress kicks in immediately. Will WhatsApp transfer? Will I lose my photos? What about contacts? With Dr.Fone, it's super simple. Phone transfer or WhatsApp transfer moves everything in a clean, organized way. It's super simple. Phone transfer or WhatsApp transfer is very organized. Your chats, media, your call history, your photos, settings, all of it goes from the old phone to the new phone without any drama. And because it supports thousands of devices across iOS and Android, you don't need to guess which model works or doesn't. It just handles it. And then there's the part almost nobody even thinks about: clearing an old phone before selling it. A normal reset feels safe, but the brief literal moment mentions this. Your personal data can still be recovered even after a factory reset. Now that's why Dr.Fone actually has Phone Eraser. This actually overwrites your files, wipes them permanently so that they cannot be restored. So if you are selling your phone, passing it down to a friend, giving it to your kids, or trading it in during the Christmas discounts, this step is super important to keep your information private. Now, getting into accidents. The holidays are the absolute peak season for cracked screens, broken displays, and system glitches. Dr.Fone's data recovery now has a powerful new feature for Android called Broken Phone Recovery. If your phone still turns on but the screen is dead or unresponsive, it can pull out your photos, contacts, messages, videos, the things you really care about. And on iPhone, it recovers over 35 data types, including WhatsApp and even iWork files. So if anything goes wrong, you still have a way out. And if the problem isn't the data but the phone system itself, Dr.Fone's system repair is updated too. It fixes more than 150 issues on iOS like boot loops, Apple logo freeze, update failures, or errors like 1110. It even supports the newest iPhone 17 series, so keep that in mind as well. On Android, it repairs Samsung system issues with just one click. And here's the rare feature that they really highlight. Dr.Fone now supports Xiaomi, Redmi, and Poco flashing with data retention, meaning you can fix system problems without losing everything on your phone. Most repair tools can't even do that. So when you put it all together, Dr.Fone covers the full Christmas survival kit for your phones. Back up your photos before the holidays so nothing gets lost. Transfer all your data safely when you upgrade. Wipe your old phone the right way before selling it. Recover data even from broken screens. And repair system issues without losing your files, even on Xiaomi, Redmi, and Poco. If you want to try it, the link is down below. Check it out, protect your phone this season, and subscribe for more. Thank you all for watching this video today, and I'll see you all in the next one.